The XRP investment products has observed mild inflows last week despite the broader crypto market witnessing negative flows, with Bitcoin and Ethereum facing $73 million in outflows. By the way, Ripple's recent acquisition of financial institution Fortress has unlocked yet another license for the blockchain company, with a recent addition to its 30-plus U.S. licensed regions. Moreover, what are the most represented countries in the 75K XRP holders list? Finally, have you ever thought of the things that could boost XRP's price just like the lawsuit victory did? Well, in today's video, I will be sharing those with you. Stick with me till the end to find out more. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on the 15th of September. CoinShares, a leading digital asset investment manager, disclosed the recent development in its latest volume of the Digital Asset Fund Weekly Flow Report. The report, shared today, highlights the generally bearish atmosphere within the market. Data from the report confirms that the broader crypto market witnessed $59 million in outflows from investment products linked to digital assets. This represents a 426% increase from the previous week's $11.2 million outflows and marks the fourth consecutive week of outflows. Notably, with the latest figure, digital assets investment products have seen $294 million outflows over the past 4 weeks. Diving deeper into last week's data, Bitcoin observed the highest outflows at $68.9 million. Meanwhile, Ethereum witnessed the second highest figure at $4.8 million. Combined, BTC and Ethereum observed $73.7 million in outflows. Conversely, XRP's investment products recorded inflows last week, albeit at a modest rate. Funds linked to XRP witnessed inflows to the tune of $0.7 million. The previous data on XRP also revealed positive flows, with $0.5 million inflows recorded in the week leading to August 25th. This bullish turn of events for XRP persists despite the legal circumstances surrounding Ripple and the SEC lawsuit. Recall that the SEC had filed for permission to request to appeal Ripple's victory. The agency recently cited not illegal problems for this move. Meanwhile, the $59 million outflows recorded in the broader crypto scene could be attributed to the storm currently plaguing the market. The global crypto market cap is down 2% over the past 24 hours, with BTC and Ethereum dropping by 1.47% and 2.82%. In terms of exchange country, Germany witnessed the highest amount of flows from digital asset products. The figure from Germany is $20 million, while Canada is the second highest, with $17.6 million. The US saw $12.3 million outflows. Regarding investment product providers, ETC Issuance GmbH, a leading digital asset investment company in London, saw the highest outflows in its products last week, totaling $23 million. Despite the recent bearish weeks, all digital asset investment products are witnessing $104 million in inflows year-to-date. Cumulative AUM has also increased to $31.7 billion. Furthermore, several firms, including BlackRock and WisdomTree, are pushing for a spot Bitcoin ETF. Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Amid its legal tussle with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, payments firm Ripple has increasingly expanded its regulatory compliance program by obtaining licenses in several jurisdictions. Notably, the company's recent acquisition of financial institution Fortress unlocks yet another regulatory license to add to its growing list. Recall that Ripple acquired Fortress Blockchain Technologies towards the end of last week for an undisclosed sum. The move transfers Fortress Nevada Trust license to Ripple, allowing the company to serve customers and businesses in the U.S. state. Nevada has a population of 3.1 million residents, or roughly 1% of the U.S. populace. The state is also considered one of the most crypto-friendly U.S. jurisdictions, explaining why Ripple prioritized acquiring a license in Nevada. Meanwhile, the latest addition to Ripple's regulatory approvals adds to the 30 money transmitter licenses that the company holds in other U.S. states. Ripple also holds the coveted New York BIT license, as it doubles down on U.S. regulatory compliance against all odds. In a public release, Ripple President Monica Long called licenses such as the recently acquired one in Nevada a powerful enabler to the company's offering. She also expressed optimism that the Fortress acquisition opens up an opportunity for Ripple to improve the current customer experience in existing products and explore new, complementary products. Despite less than ideal market conditions, the Fortress acquisition is Ripple's second major acquisition in the past 5 months. In May, Ripple acquired crypto custody-focused firm Medico for a reported $250 million. The Medico buyout unlocked digital asset custody services for Ripple. However, the Fortress acquisition seems more focused on fiat on-ramps, given Ripple's emphasis on the Nevada Trust license. Fortress is also noted for providing enterprise blockchain tokenization capabilities, a field Ripple is known to be interested in. Ripple holds money transmitter licenses in California, New York, Texas, Florida, Colorado, Kansas, New Mexico, and more. Furthermore, in a recent tweet, Crypto-Law.us founder John Deaton revealed the regional composition of the 75,000 XRP holders list. According to attorney Deaton, the United States maintains the lead position, having the highest number of XRP holders on the list. He noted that 53% of the entire 75K XRP holders are from the United States. In addition, the prominent crypto lawyer said the United Kingdom is ranked second. Attorney Deaton said Australia is the third most represented country on the list. Per Deaton, Australia maintains a small lead of only 11 people over Canada. Attorney Deaton disclosed this after he was announced as a keynote speaker for the upcoming XRP Gold Coast 2024 conference. The team at Wave of Innovation is thrilled to announce Mr. John E. Deaton, a renowned legal expert and advocate in the cryptocurrency industry, as the distinguished key speaker for our upcoming XRP Gold Coast 2024 conference, the announcement read. Reacting, attorney Deaton said he could not decline the invitation nor deny himself the opportunity of meeting Australian-based XRP holders. For context, the XRP Gold Coast 2024 is a conference organized by Wave of Innovation. It is scheduled to take place in Australia on March 22nd to 24th, 2024. According to the organizers, the conference will be an exceptional gathering of top industry innovators, experts, investors, and enthusiasts. The conference will allow attendees to explore the latest trends, advancements, and opportunities of the XRP ledger ecosystem and blockchain tech. Sponsored by Morgan Mac Lawyers, the XRP Gold Coast organizers boast an impressive lineup of keynote speakers, including Deaton and top XRP influencer Crypto Airy. The Wave of Innovation team also listed Spin the Bit CEO Jay Cambo among the keynote speakers. Meanwhile, the 75K list comprises XRP holders around the globe whom attorney Deaton represented in the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit. Notably, attorney Deaton came up with the list shortly after the SEC charged Ripple with selling XRP as an unregistered security. Interestingly, the list played an essential role in helping Ripple argue that XRP is not a security. As reported earlier, Deaton commended members of the 75K list, saying the crypto industry is lucky that these investors chose to unite against the SEC. Now to the big question of the day. What are the 3 possible events that could boost XRP's price similar to the lawsuit victory? Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. XRP is down by over 1.5% in the last 24 hours and 4.1% since the past week. While XRP has fallen below 50 cents, the XRP community is speculating on factors that could shoot up the value of the asset in a rally similar to the one witnessed from the victory ruling. In a recent tweet, prominent XRP community figure Zach Richter argued with 3 pivotal events to boost XRP's price. Judge denying SEC's appeal move. Richter first cited an impending development related to the ongoing lawsuit with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. According to him, the U.S. court's denial of the regulator's bid to obtain permission to appeal the XRP victory ruling would be significant for XRP's price. Notably, the Crypto Basic reported that the SEC is seeking a green light from the court to appeal the XRP non-security status judgment. The SEC's move stems from the fact that ordinarily, the parties in a lawsuit cannot challenge the court's rulings until the case ultimately concludes. Meanwhile, Ripple has proclaimed its intent to file counter-appeals for other decisions the court previously ruled should the SEC's bid be granted. With the situation, the XRP Army believes the denial would be another landmark decision propelling XRP. U.S. Bank going live on ODL. Furthermore, Richter argued that the event where a prominent U.S.-based financial institution goes live with Ripple's on-demand liquidity product would be significant for XRP. Following the regulatory clarity around XRP, the community hopes U.S. banks will adopt XRP. They believe such adoption will impact the digital asset. It bears mentioning that Ripple's past XRP offering to U.S. institutions constituted a substantial bottleneck in the lawsuit. Settlement. The last factor Richter cited was a settlement in Ripple's legal battle with the SEC. Richter theorized that a settlement between Ripple and the U.S. regulator could be another propelling event. A settlement implies the termination of the multi-year lawsuit. Responding to Richter's view, an XRP enthusiast, Chad, expressed disagreement. The commenter argued that the highlighted events are merely pump and dump events. In his view, the utility of XRP is the true catalyst for higher prices. Additionally, X-user Darren Black echoed Chad's sentiment, noting that utility and retail adoption are the factors to shoot XRP. This commenter believes a significant pump in XRP would not materialize until after Bitcoin halves. So we come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.